What order did you put in today to the universe, to your higher mind? What was the order? Comment down below if you did any of that today. The reason I say this is because it's so damn important. Just put in the order and allow it to be. Let go of the how, let go of the why. It's not your responsibility to ever question your higher mind. Allow it to do what it's meant to do. Your physical being is so limited. It's so limited. And when we try to get things from that point of view, it's never going to work. And it'll keep us stuck. It'll keep us stuck in the waiting, because you are telling the universe, your order to the universe is, I need to wait to get what I want. Put in the order and allow it to come to fruition.